Ki MDC jang ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kle kendo badu menteri rangba ka jela bat ka to kaningot ki menteri sarkar banetai halor ka jing pentre kam ya ka CrPC bat ka CPC. Habayakaran badu menteri rangba hadin malawai ka jingelang uloong bagani ka jing pentre kam igini ki an kanom Ktah igi yang bishar jang ki District Council ndre kin tre kam ko majulong. Uloong bagi yang bishar ki bedena ka benta ki trai muluk kata ki tribal on bishar bed daki yang syari jong District Council. Nakaliang UCEM ka HEDC ubat titas Starwell Khan uloang bahadin bali ajeng pencai nakaliang jaga sarkar nakaliang ka council kamla banshim mekanu kono karai nre uloang bakin se kendolang haka khat santarek bat baro ki MDC banshim mekarai lor gajing pencai baai nakaliang ka sarkar.
And the message that we have given to the district council is that the entire purpose of really coming out with this notification is to allow the judicial magistrate to continue the work and the functions that were being done by the ADC judiciary when the executive and judiciary was not segregated. That is the only intention and objective of this notification, nothing beyond that. And the question of diluting the powers of the district council or interfering in the village courts or changing the procedures in the district council is absolutely not there. So there's no question the provisions and the powers of the district council courts are protected by the provisions in the constitution. And a notification, no matter how many times we may change things, the wording we may change, anybody can try to interpret the notification in any way. The most important protection that the district councils and the courts and district councils have is through the provisions of para 4 and 5 in the 6th schedule. And hence, no notification can supersede that. The intention and the spirit and objective of this notification is purely and purely simply to complete and regularize the process of separation from executive from the judiciary, so that now that the ADC judiciary is not there anymore, the district session judge and the court can function and do their jobs as was being done by the ADC judiciary. So that was what confusion was. There were concerns by the district council that the cases between tribals and tribals will now be shifted. We have very clearly said there's no question of that. Under para 4, it has been clearly defined that these kind of cases will be tried by the district council courts. So even if any notification or even if there's any kind of cases that were to go, the district council's courts will prevail and their stand will prevail because it is protected by the constitution. So these clarifications were made, and I'm pretty sure that after a number of rounds of discussion, I'm sure that the council also is more or less convinced, and we are moving ahead with this spirit and with this objective that the district council courts and their powers will not be diluted in any way, and this entire exercise is only to regularize the separation between the executive and the judiciary.
Kabamut hi ka CRPC bat CPC kanum apply ha ki kut ki jungi namar banging idon ya ka constitutional provision ya kat kum ka para 4 bat para 5 jongka constitution te bat hak bajing dai ru bat ki case ki ba dai hap deng ki tribal bat ki tribal hi ka trial ka dang dai hi bat ki district council court ki jungi kini ki district session court kinum la pan try ya ka jing dai hap deng ki tribal ki don tang ki we ki case ki ba let's say ki ba ki court ki jungi ki mju trial kum ka pokso ba ki we ki criminal case te yakini hi kan kaju i ka spirit ngan su ong lengkot ipi kaju i ka spirit ka ba ngijule baro kata kani kan continue.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.